Master the ABCs, writing English uppercase letters. Hello, learners. Today, we are going to dive into an exciting topic that forms the foundation of the English language, uppercase letters. This session will guide you on how to correctly write each of these letters, helping you master this essential skill in no time. Uppercase letters, also known as capital letters, play a significant role in English. They are used at the start of sentences, for proper nouns, and for emphasis. Our journey towards mastering these 26 letters starts now. We'll take it one letter at a time. 1. A. Draw a straight line downward to the right, another to the left, meeting at a point at the top. Draw a horizontal line halfway. 2. B. Start with a straight line down, then draw 2 half circles to the right. 3. C. Imagine drawing a complete circle but stop 3/4 of the way. 4. D. Draw a straight line down, then a half circle to the right. 5. E. Draw a straight line down, then 3 horizontal lines to the right, at the top, middle, and bottom. And so on, providing instructions for each letter up to Z. After we've gone through each letter, it's time for some practice. Use a lined paper and try to write each uppercase letter as neatly as you can. Remember, the more you practice, the better your handwriting will become. Great work, everyone! You've taken a significant step in mastering the English language. Remember, knowing how to write uppercase letters correctly is just as important as using them in the right places. Keep practicing, stay consistent, and soon, writing these letters will become second nature to you. Stay tuned for our next video on lowercase letters. Happy learning, and see you next time.